I try too much. It's evil them around me, man. Catty are evil, man. If me for sure know what this catty do me for hurt ya. The world would be nice. I tell her. But enough is enough now. Thank you for posting all that them what she has sent you. She don't have to post no more. Full demons me take up in my life to blood clot. Can't believe all this thing. Live your best life, girl. Enjoy your life. Pick up. Left $1,000 for water and for pay for man. And you can just make the man take your water them and not give him them. Not for paying for it. It depends too much. He's a big waste man. Take up all people like them and not defend them. Eh? Every fucking thing within your household happen, you send go give your blood clot X. You're not going back to your bomber clot X. Go back. Go back. Go on back. Please and thank you. Go on back. I don't know no woman with blood clot there with them man and what they have in their house. Then take it and go give blood clot man. Next man. Go on you. Go on blood clot you. Go on you. Kupang blood clot you. Kupang you. I try too much, man. Try too much. Some people not deserve people like me. Some people not deserve people like me. Believe me, tell you that. I'm gonna steady your life, girl. I feel betrayed. I feel betrayed. I don't put my 100 on nobody, you know. No human being, you know. You get me, I say? Nothing. Nobody. When I say nobody, nobody, I don't put 100% in. Believe me, tell you that. Nobody. Another. You know, if you come out of the house, you know, I will leave tomorrow. I feel a place in my appearance. I will leave tomorrow.
Yo, Daniel.
Yeah, David.
Don't get too angry.
Me not get angry, me done something for already.
And
I say
don't
she
make she come
packing.
out of the house with the
She's
baby.
packing.
Don't make she come out of the house with the baby. I
Me not
understand
make
how
she come out
things
of the
set.
house. Me not go war with her.
No, but don't make she leave the house with the baby. Not it's too
She
late. Now
gone with
8:11
him
in
already. What am I
Jamaica
fi do?
now.
She gone with him already. What am I fi do?
Daniel, me know say you care a
All if
little
you dip
bit.
on purpose, Misha. Misha, what purpose have to do with things? Meds no man.
Daniel, I still your youth, right?
I'm my youth. Another
Then
youth
take
I
the baby
problem. I
from
feel
her.
much
Don't make she
things you can
go
every
out the
time
road
somebody
with the
come out
baby
then
in
can
the
have new
night.
things. What you talk to man?
Don't make cause next thing she gone and I want next thing on TikTok them say you push her out with
Brother,
the
me not
baby
go
when I
walk you
saw
down,
it go.
With the baby,
Yeah, don't make she come out with the baby. Too late for that.
The baby back.
Yeah, just put by the baby in the house. It's too late.
Go on the house. You come out the house after. You come out the house
And I
after.
go on to the house with the baby and stop with that.
You come out the house tomorrow. Me will come out of the house tomorrow, bro. I will come out.
And I go on to the house and cause in a trouble.
You come out the house tomorrow. Go on the house. Go on the house.
And I go on to the house.
Take your baby outside now.
First time I'm gonna start to worry the girl that come out with the baby. Why them not feel a war?
Take your baby outside now. Take your baby outside now, Joe.
And I calm down. Daniel, Daniel, don't touch her, Daniel. Don't touch her, Daniel. Daniel, 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 don't touch her. Daniel, Daniel,
Come in here.
Daniel,
Come in
Daniel,
here.
Daniel, Daniel, stop. Daniel, stop. Cause you them
Me
on
not
screen record. Stop,
push her, me a block
stop.
her. If I go up here.
No, but stop. Don't touch her.
Come in here, please.
Yeah, when you go on inside and talk about your
No.
civil. That's all. Just
Yeah.
go inside and talk about your civil.
Make a sign up for me. She and you. Regardless of nobody wants to say right, that's why I gotta be straight in man. Love Alia. I love me you. Just feel that right away when my sister and things. Yeah, I'm a human being. Respectfully, if you mute the live and say what I say to her. You see me? And I mean, mute the live and say what I say to her, bro. That's smoking good, man. Yeah, the window. The window there. Just want to say Alien I go back into the life where she come from, bro. And if me have to sacrifice myself to make sure good, bro, I just that and I understand. You see me? I know how to be a man. I never seen a man be a man for my mother growing up, bro. I mean, you have to be the man, bro. So watch out, man. Now go fuck up my...
Who said bring people down? The boy?
Alia, chooks are nothing nobody but my pitney. That is not the problem. That is not half of the problem, Alia. The problem is when me have. Me not, If me do believe say chooks of his mother is more gone. Come on, man, body not understand that me da gone. I wouldn't be here, bro. Listen what me I say now. What in your thoughts for when you are your man in an argument for you send pictures and videos of what your man have? Look at argument and look at scuffles. You send pictures and voice notes to a guy that you're not with anymore. What kind of meds? Yes, you're young. Alright. What bring you down, bro? Listen to what me I say now.
Look at my friend.
No business for man now. Listen, I am talking. Listen to what me I say now. I am saying to you that.
No, me alone. Don't bring me down already.
Where you trust issue there.
Yes, I know.
Bro, anything will make Pandis alive, you feel.
I know what dirty girl. Everybody make me mukla. Leave me the fuck alone. Leave me alone. Come be able to look not like the ugly bumbo clad, yellow teeth motherfucking. The man look like fucking Shrek na bumbo clad.
Alia, we're not talking about chooks.
He want come out, come show the whole world and show the world. You know long arm, me and the youth ya deal. Me could have depend on him for anything that that so comes me get fucking in. Yeah, if it depend on man. That
you made a mistake. You made a mistake.
No, make no mistake. Me is a dog bed girl. You see me? Hey, nobody come bumbo clad trouble me, you know. Cause me alone, everybody has strength for you know. Me just find out what say to yourself, little body man jading over here, so you know. I see a thing they come over here, so to mix up, you know, brother, back and forth, you know. But it's alright. We don't upset me, they take my crown. Love me the fuck and one man. Yeah? And I don't hear me about that the people that want to hear me. And people that want to hear me. Now I post with Daniel. Now I try to post with you.
I start call Jaden and man, she means I shouldn't play a match with him because I mix up with dog all about if you understand what I say. Within the dog, so I try to run some joke, I'm not run right now.
Over here, so they go laugh. Both man over here saw a ball.
Who a ball me?
Both man over here saw a ball.
Me a ball?
The people they love mix up.
No ball for nobody, not even dead to blood clot.
Mix up.
That is.
Today, until Annie come over here, so come call a little dirty man. First man him run up in, I wish we could have take it back. Since Annie calling me a Mission Company Internet, and I can't talk about this and that and that and that and that and what?
Now over here,
and what? You know much people that people then can depend on and say you're
no, your ex,
at that time he never did stable. No matter if I out of this, Daniel never did like me at the time. Cause him never did true or nine.
Your ex.
It don't happen.
Ex,
that
yes.
is not my ex, brother. That's not ex. That's not ex. I don't have no family, I don't have nobody. That's me and my baby.
I thought boy your ex you send information to about me.
I like you.
So what you think you wouldn't get?
So look waste man.
Hold on, Alia.
So waste man.
Calm down.
So waste man.
Calm down.
So excuse me, make you talk. Look on them people there. I've got my picture over their life, bro. Me good now, me pick me and make me stay on my side. Look on the people that have me picture them over there, so brother. Where them I get what I eat? Where them I get what I eat? Nothing. Nothing they not get what I eat. Where them I get what I eat? Mother, sister, brother, everybody pile up for me. Where them I get what I eat? Me a dog bed girl, me disgusting. Daniela go left. One more blood clot one from me. Leave me alone. Love me alone. Me don't know how to get out of it. Everybody sit down on one spot. I this who? This who? This who? This who? Me. I went me wrong, brother. I went me wrong. What make everybody a blood clot? Live for me, so. And my life. Anywhere me want to carry me pussy go, me go carry go. I was this man me could have ever woke up in a. The worst person me could have ever woke up in a. Me not care, brother. Me not care. Me go on anywhere me want go on. You don't know how it feels. You all of your family pack up on your brother every day. Every day. day you see me a chat about Annie or Mika, none of them are me who no live pan. Me! This big stinking boy to bomber class sit down over there so the picture over head like a big pussy. Like one big stinking pussy. Eh? Why not take your time and go bomber clad this dentist and go clean up the whole like blood clad shit stain from your blood clad teeth, man? You don't allow me alone, man. Every day you come chat about Anna this, Anna that. Eh? And you come go like who along the blood clad perfect up this. Everybody have a story. Brushy, who na lay down with this and who na lay down with that. But Anna everybody find strength from. Anna everybody find fucking strength from. Me, we are blood clad try. Boy like someone I hear that, you know. Me everybody live pan. They can't see their pan. Enough. The CD ain't enough. So go some booms now everybody have to come together to come chat about Anna. Eh? Una get what you want. What more you want from me? Leave me the fuck alone, man. Leave me alone. Look at the individual what this woman have body like 24 fucking 7. Eh? 24/7. If someone never bought me say Father God, if he never deal with a woman like me, this man would have nothing to talk about. Nothing! But I me they live pan every day. Me, my life, me, I'm a baby. I can't trouble nobody there, so. I can't trouble nobody, brother. I can't trouble every blood clot, body. Everybody eat a bada. Everybody eat a fucking bada. Anna fucking baby, bro. I'm a baby there, that's some good, brother. So look who yes man can come out and go and like say them a smaddy, you know.
So what?
So who yes people can come out and go and like say them a smaddy, you know, but me a hold firm. Me not care what nobody wants about me. Me not care what nobody wants about me, bro. Me not care what nobody wants about me, brother. Eh? Me not trouble them people every day. The people they live by me. Every day the people they live by me, brother. Every day they give me a break, brother. Me can't go out there and live from bumbo clad one, brother. Nothing na fucking stop me, brother. Nothing na fucking stop me, bro. You see this little fake thing go back and forth. I can't chat about Anna fi make money, brother. Me sick and tired of it. Me sick and tired of it, bro. Me sick and fucking tired of it. Me can't rest. Me brain can't in a peace for a couple fucking moments. Everybody bumbo clad up on this a catty and me a dog shit, me a this, yes! Me a dog shit! Me is a dog bed girl! Love me the fuck alone, no man! Uno make una assumptions and chat or not chat and still up on my bumbo clad name, brother! Who does that? Then this big stinking pussy boy come go on like say you're smadina, brother. You feel like you know man, you come for the internet, come check it bumbo clad, pity the people and boy you got code. Near man for money I come right I say no I want more money than I come find for chat. But feel like say me an idiot, man. No feel like say me an idiot. You come over here so I can show a message I can talk about this and that, brother. You can't fool nobody. I think that alone you can't fool. Eh? Mother, sister, brother, everybody pile up for poor. If you come chat about Anna, that makes sense. I force mama me have, I force mama to blood clot. The first mother me have. The first mama. The first mother me have who want bring me down too much, brother. Me don't trouble a woman, ya brother. Me not care who not like me, bro. Me not trouble a woman, ya bro. Me not trouble a woman, ya brother. Every time me a try, I need that in a me freaking way. Think you get to me, enjoy me whole and you enjoy everybody in the line, bro. Why this woman not leave me the fuck alone and go enjoy your bumbo clock life, man? Me is a dog shit and me a this and me a that. Love me, make me live my life, no man. Hey, Mona son that you know, Mona not do the bumbo clock son, you know. Eh? Mona not do the son clat mouth, you know, little girl. Don't say nothing, Daniel. Don't say nothing, Daniel. Hey, little girl, don't say nothing to your bumbo clat mouth, you know. You don't know your fucking self, you know. Right now, I'm in a blood clot here, you know. Eh? I want you to help you by your phone, you know. And the first thing I do, I go in, brother, and go tell lie for me just because they say you're going to make money, you know, bro. Little girl, keep me near for out of your mouth. If you are your man, I play a match, you are your man, play a match, I leave me the fuck alone, brother. Them things that me I talk about. Me and people are fucking size. Me and Mika are size. At 18, now 17-year-old. And one day she am 17, this year she at 18. Next year she at 19. I can't go on like say, me and you a size little girl. Me and you no size pussy. And this me a blood clot, and I don't know admin no match. Me and you no size. Me and no Annie. You come with your board tongue and your long out no little girl. Let me tell you this. Me grew rough a year. You see like how your mother pamper you. Mommy never pamper me so. I be a blood clot if me get in my pussy. You hear that? Don't come compare me with you. Me can continue do what you do and leave me alone. Look a girl, focus on your life where you say you better than me with. Do what you do and focus on what you are focused on and leave me from out of your mouth. Me a talk about me baby, me not talk about you, little girl, cause no self. No self, brother. Don't do all picnic can't come disrespect me. Look on this black bomber hole. This black bomber hole cry for all time cave because he hungry. And he give my little red carpet now so he can't come chat about Anna. You know like the people them come and plan this, but me tell you this so cocky boy. Take your time out and go creepy shit them for your blood clot. You hear? And when you come for me good bomber hole. You see that little youth will never reach down the blood clot pathway, pussy. You see your bomber clot ugly? Sit down and check your blood clot self. You hear that? And keep me name for out of your blood clot mouth. You should have lucky say me lay down with a bomber clot half ugly blood clot donkey like you. You hear that? I can my mother put me out and me never have no if you got pussy. At the same time, I use the whole of your family come bomber clot use me. I that me a blood clot till I'm a whole firm pussy. Anybody who want set for me, John Cree, set it for me. And that me I tell you. Uno nah get me fi come in a phone part. Uno nah blood clot get that jankro. You have to be something about me if you hold on and sit down for me name every damn day. Every day. Look on blood clot Jaden and our body. Uno can't talk about jealous of what? One man we push brush in a them body. A man that like their ass tingled with. In my audience and the same blood clot thing. Fruit in a pussy clot, you see two of them act. Me not care if nobody not like me, it's just the truth. You see a bumbo clot deal with Fabby. Hey, no boy like that, you have no bumbo clot chat over nobody. Hey, girl, you better hide your jaws them. You better make sure you put up your jaws them. Cover your jaws them, and that me I tell you. Look how go on like, but jealous of who and jealous of that. Me not jealous of nobody. Me not jealous of nobody. Me just want to make sure I say Chooks alright. And Chooks alright, me good. Me no response to what happen to me. Me no response to what happen to me. But you know see, me love you. Yeah. You see, you all out, you all out. You not go get what come to you. Ride the wave for now. Use Anna. Use me no response. You see, every blood clot body was sit down on the life there. For no time I come. For no time I come, me I tell you no this. And me attack from my belly, right here so. From me pregnant and in the hospital, you don't rest me, Annie. Annie, you don't rest me. You don't give me a rest. Then you set this little blood clot, Grinch, ugly bumbo clot cowboy for me. Just to you hate me. So once somebody can hate them picnics up. Even if me walk and fuck down the half of anyone say me walk go grind down. Why? How it is your business when me a big woman and me done come out of your house? And you still make me be your top priority every day. You call me name every day. And your golden child lend right in front of you. Lord, the little crosses, girl, no man. Lord, the little crosses, girl, no man, and focus for your picnic them. Eh? Lord, the little crosses, girl, make you buck her to one. Eh? Eh? And when the whole world across me, man, with the right side of me, you know this one, me picnic. He don't look at me and call me names. He can't look me in my eye when he might kiss me, brother. Eh? You know I feel if you can't walk on the road in a peace. You know I feel if you're tormented in your skin and can't blood clot sleep. Eh? You know I feel if you're depressed and you hate yourself to the max, brother. You don't want to look for yourself when you pass through the mirror. Eh? And them state they want me reach. You really want me try to analyze myself, please, do no? Eh? TikTok now go no one, no one.
Take your time, time.
TikTok now go no one, no one.
Take your time.
Eh? TikTok now go no one, no one. One more, no one. One more, no one.
Calm down, now drink the water, now just drink the water. Calm down, now. Calm down, now, brother.
I want to see me dead then, man. People want to see me drop up.
Well, my body fever make no
I'm dead. They want to see me dead. They want to see me pronounced.
Listen to me now, look for me now. Look for me, look for me, look for me. Sorry for make people lead me, bro. I know them the
Me deserve it.
You know, just only to listen now, calm down now. Calm down now, only thing I want for you. You have to just stand up. You make a mistake, only thing you want for you and say, B, I'm sorry, that's it, bro. I pass my place when I'm not mute the live, brother, and talk to you. I'm sorry about that, bro. I need to start getting myself, bro. Ignorance cause certain things, my friend. But you have to look on it from my point of view. I'm upsetting at the moment because of that will happen. I see pictures for a long time, bro. When I say, what the fuck them thing, I come back up now in a long time, so. Even the one with our cut pan and foot them thing there, bro. A long time something them there, brother. Oh, God.
I'm sorry.
Just nobody watch nobody and anything, brother. In your space, I run going over left hand troops, brother. I don't know about troops, I know that.
I don't know about
me
troops.
know, you know.
I don't know about troops.
Argue, bro.
I don't know about troops. Is the fact that say she come out and she talk after she talk and the youth this the palm me and show
so
this
that's
and show that.
That's why you calling you.
If you make some money, Nyama fi money, you go get put off, can you use the head pan people? Brother, me tired of them sitting here, run me free run now.
Calm down, brother. I'm sorry to people calling you.
Run me free run now. I run me from them people. They want to see me analyze on the details and they go. Feel like I care who bully me and call me names. Me no response. Nobody not perfect. Me not perfect.
That's why I'm going to calm down.
As long as I'm perfect and my family are they good.
Sorry.
No, brother. All this money miss from my kid come to me and for it. Bro. I'm not perfect, but I'm a change. Yeah. I'm change me. I swear, I'm telling this from my heart. You teach me a lot to me. That's why, yeah, that's all. Make you what you want. I'm sorry. Got enough time to make you look like say other things I don't know. Because I'm jealous. I love you and you, brother.
Sweaty.
Yes, I can't touch him.
Yes, sweaty. I want to go on the water. So them a report all the page, and them a report the page. Just go and go on the water. Go on some water and go on some